What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have for you a convenience good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay E8 2.0 true wireless earphones. They come with a Qi wireless charging case. They are in the color black. I picked them up on Amazon for about 250 bucks, down from $350. So for a limited time only, you can pick up these really awesome premium wireless earbuds, truly wireless, for 250 bucks, down from 350. So the Sony WF-1000 XM3s retail for about $229. They have active noise cancellation, some smart ambient feature mode, which basically quiets the headphones when someone is directly talking to you, which is incredibly intelligent. They're supposed to sound really fantastic, and like I said, they come in at $230. These Bang & Olufsen Beoplay E8s come in at $250. So are they really better than the Sony WF-1000 XM3s? Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the box here. So far, I am absolutely in love with this charging case. It is actually very nicely weighted. It's sort of got this faux leather material. You get this beautiful aluminum line or ring around the case itself. It looks like it has chamfered edges, which is really nice, and what looks to be USB Type-C on the back. So just like with any other pair of truly wireless earbuds, they're going to present like a pair of earrings, so they come right on out. This unboxing experience is extremely premium so far, and like I said, it does come with a USB Type-C charging cable, so that is really convenient if you are someone who owns a bunch of USB Type-C products. These Bang & Olufsen Beoplay E8 true wireless earphones should integrate into your workflow nicely, or your charging flow nicely. What's also really nice is they throw in a bunch of added ear tips just in case they don't fit. And of course, at the very bottom of the box is a quick start guide and user manual, because anyway, this charging case is super premium. You get the Bang & Olufsen logo on top there, as you can probably tell. That is what they look like inside the charging case. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these in our ear. Should be able to just put them in your ear right away. Okay, so I've got them in my ear. What's really nice is as soon as you take them out of the box, they actually appear on your phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and listen to some music for a few minutes, and then I'll be back. Okay, so the verdict is in. These are definitely a superior sounding pair of truly wireless earbuds. They sound fantastic, they're comfortable, up to 16 hours of playtime between what the headphones can hold and what the charging case can hold. Also, I was under the impression that the charging case would be large and cumbersome just by looking at the box, but turns out that it's actually pretty small and pretty portable and pretty compact and actually very high quality. And of course, you get that beautiful aluminum silver chamfered edge around the charging case itself, which gives it that super premium look. These headphones are absolutely stunning. Even the headphones themselves have that silver chamfered edge around them. As you can see, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but these are actually touch pads on the side. So one tap to play, one tap to pause or take a call. These do have a built-in microphone, so you can take calls if you want. These don't have any type of ambient noise pass-through feature, but if you're crossing a busy street, or if you're waiting to hear your flight information out loud, like if you're sitting in the airport, these touch controls work really well on the side. So all you have to do is just one tap to play, one tap to pause if you really need to hear important information, or if you really need the headphones to be off. They fit in your ear well, which is the most important part when using touch controls, because if you're using touch controls, you don't want to accidentally knock them out of place, right? So they fit in your ear very well. The touch controls work very well. Just a simple tap, a light, gentle tap will ensure that the music is either on or off. I think the design of the earbuds themselves is a little bit uninspired. I think it's on the older side, but you do get that superior sound quality. The midtones sound fantastic. You're really getting a lot of rich detail with these earbuds. And when I mean rich detail, I mean all of that sound that's in between all of the instruments and the notes and the vocals. You're hearing everything with these earbuds. Normally you're just hearing midtones, you're hearing trebles, you're hearing bass with other headphones, but with these you're hearing everything, and they're really rich. I noticed that they didn't sound terrific at medium volume. They sounded just normal, but as soon as you turn the volume up, they get even better. So the louder you listen to them, the better they're going to sound. That's usually the case with any type of earbuds, simply because the experience of listening to music goes up when you turn the volume up. But with these, you just simply get to hear everything at a louder volume, and that's a good thing, because that means that there is some really good technology on the inside of these things, making sure that sound is staying crisp and clear all the way through, whether you're listening to your music at half volume, no volume, or extremely high volume. So these are a definitely superior sounding pair of earbuds. Are they worth $350? No. That's why they're on sale for $250, because no one's buying the damn things. Anyways, these Bang & Olufsen Beoplay E8 2.0 True Wireless earphones with Qi wireless charging case in black are a convenience good, because I picked them up on Amazon. You can pick yours up on Amazon. They go for about $250. After tax, you should be looking at $265, $270, something around that nature. I was able to get mine in a day, which is really nice. Hopefully you should be able to get yours within a day. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review, this video of the Bang & Olufsen Beoplay E8 2.0. My name is John, and I will see you in the next video.